Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are making garlic butter steak bites with mashed potatoes and mushrooms. I couldn't pass up this fillet deal, so I used fillets this time. Go ahead and let your fillets sit out and get your mashed potatoes going. I quartered the mashed potatoes and then dice up some garlic. Let your fillets sit out anywhere between 10 to 30 minutes. I let it sit out while I was doing the potatoes. And then you're going to cut your steak up into bite-sized pieces. Season it with, I did salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. That's all I needed. So I dumped it in there, and then I'm just going to kind of blend it all in together. And then it sat for maybe 2 more minutes while the skillet was preheating. While your skillet is done preheating, add in some oil and drop the steak bites in and let them cook for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes or every 2 minutes, you're going to kind of just like mix them around. I did this for about 5-ish minutes for it, and then I'm gonna do the mushrooms. So add in some butter and then just dump the mushrooms in. I cook these on low to medium heat, and this is gonna be for the mashed potatoes, so that's just butter and milk that I'm gonna blend in together. So after about 5 minutes, I'm gonna take the steak bites out because I'm gonna add in butter and garlic, and I'm just gonna kind of let that melt down, let the garlic cook for a minute before I add the steak bites back in and let that all blend together. In the meantime, I'm gonna dump in that butter and milk blend. So I mash my potatoes with that kind of masher, and then I whisk them and then season it and then add more butter on top, and that's about it. But after that garlic's been cooking for a minute in the butter, I do the bites back in. I kept them in for maybe a minute to a minute 15, and then I dumped them all into a bowl. I didn't baste them. I just let it more so soak in the butter, I guess. But now we're going to assemble it, so get however much mashed potatoes you want. I dumped the garlic steak bites right on top, and then I'm just going to put the mushrooms kind of around it. Mushrooms are optional, but yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you like it.